Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Tobile, and for today's tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how I was able to design this amazing flyer for myself. So a lot of people have been asking me how I was able to achieve this and that it looked nice, and they will also like to be able to design something like this. So I'm gonna show you guys how this look. If I present it for you guys, and then you all can see that this flyer, I like it myself. Okay, it looks so nice and neat. It's not too much information overload or anything. It's just so simple. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you how all of this is done. But first of all, you will need to go to Canva website. If you're not signed in with Canva, you can do this totally for free of charge. I'm going to be leaving a link in the description below so that you can be able to do that. Once you sign in, you want to come here to templates and search for flyers template. Remember I told you that we're going to be creating this from scratch, so you want to click on the create a blank flyer here, and then we can start creating this flyer right from the beginning. So we're going to be using all of this elements that they have here. We're going to be using some elements from Canva, and also as well the image that we're going to be using today, it's an image that already has a removed background. Okay, so whatever image you're going to be using, just make sure that it has the background is removed so that your poster can look nice. So without wasting more of your time, let's just get started with the video. So I'm just gonna put some music on the background as you watch me doing this so that you can be able to see how this process is done exactly. So let's just get into the video. If you are still watching until this point, then this takes us to the end of today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like today's tutorial, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. It's really gonna help grow my channel. So this is it for today, guys. I'm gonna see you on my next video.